Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your account data. To get started, go up to the gear wheel icon in the upper right corner of your TenantCloud account. From here, you'll want to go to the Account Settings section and select Profile. From the profile page, scroll down until you come to the section titled Delete Account, where you'll see a link here that says Export the Data. Simply select the Export Data button, where you'll now have the option to select all by default, or select specific parts of your account that you would like to export. So, for instance, we can export property and units, contacts, messenger information, equipment, and we'll go ahead and select export. Once we have selected the export button, it is going to generate a zip file with all of the information that we requested. And once the information is complete, we'll be able to download this file onto our local hard drive. Keep in mind that this can take a little while depending on how much information is in your account that you are exporting at once. And also keep in mind that this can only be done from a laptop or a desktop. Great, you have successfully exported your account data. Now you have the option to download the zip file onto your local desktop. And that is how easy it is to export your data on TenantCloud. To get started for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.